Welcome everyone. Today we will see how to install Jupyter Notebook in your Windows device, and the very same rule will apply for the Mac OS as well. Let's see. First of all, you should have Python installed in your device. Then you can install Jupyter Notebook. We will first start with how to install Python. Go to any browser and search here Python. The first website you will get is python.org. Go to this website. Here you get different options. Over here the menu bar. If you hover your mouse over this download button, you get this window. Okay. Click here, click on this latest version, this button, Python 3.14.5. This number shows the current version of Python. It's starting downloading its setup. Once it is downloaded, click over it. So it will open a pop-up window like this. Now here, before you click over the install now, just add Python to the path and also give this. Then click on install now. It will install, and if any permission is asked, give yes. It will install Python, start installing Python. Here it is. It's going very quick. Okay, as you can see on screen, installation is now done. We can close this. Now, if you want to verify that Python is installed properly or not, we will go to start button and type cmd. You'll get this command prompt. Open that. Right now, everything I'm telling is for Windows system. If you are on Mac, then you need to open terminal. And the command you can give is python dash dash version. So this command is for Windows. If you are on Mac or Linux, that command will slightly change. That Python 3 Mac people will type Python 3 dash dash version, or you can go to internet and find that what is the command for that. But let us focus on Windows Python dash dash version. Press enter. So here I'm getting the what is the version of Python? Python 3.14.5, and it's the latest version which we installed just now. Now to install Jupyter Notebook, you need to give this command pip install notebook. Right, Jupyter Notebook is already installed in my laptop. So it's once Jupyter Notebook is installed, you want to open it, then you can type this command, Jupyter Notebook. So right now this is not working. It's saying that Jupyter command is not recognized. That means we installed Jupyter, but it is not added to the path. Now you don't need to worry. You can add it to the path and then you can try to give this command. Otherwise, the simple way is directly give this command python dash m notebook and it will run. Those who are technical people, they know what is path and they can add Jupyter to the path, but you don't need to worry if you are beginner. And this is once you run it, it will open in your browser. So this browser is a screen, but actually it is running on your local device. So whatever code you are going to execute, it will be executed on your device, not on internet. Okay, so even though your internet is not on, you can still use Jupyter Notebook. It is a platform where we are going to write Python codes and execute not just Python, the other things can also happen. But here we are particularly using it for Python. Now you need to select some folder where you want to save your file. So I don't want to work here. And see, meanwhile you are working with Jupyter Notebook, please do not close this CMD file. If you close this, then a server will also be lost. Okay. So this will not work. Now to know where particularly I want to work with my codes, so open your file explorer, look at that folder. This is the folder where I want to work. Okay, I come here, I click, do right click, and here I see the option open in terminal. If you are working with Windows 10 or the older version, you won't get this kind of feature. But for that, you can go to this address bar and just search CMD. Type CMD, press enter. So it will open command terminal at the present address, the same folder. Okay. Now here I want to open Jupyter notebook. Now you guys know what is the command for that. Python dash n notebook. Now it will host Jupyter notebook on your browser. And here it is. I want to create a new file. So go to file, new notebook. Okay, it will open a new notebook. You can see the file name here on the, okay, here if it is asking, just select Python 3, select file name is untitled. You can give any name, uh, demo file, demo, and the extension is IPYNB, Python notebook extension. So it's a newer version. Okay, we renamed it. Now that thing is here. Here we are going to write our code. So whatever code you are writing here, it will be like this. Now to execute this code, you need to click on this play button. It's a run button. You click it, you get the answer. You type something else, print good morning. I want to run this code. We can click here. We can write multiple lines as well. Okay. So the best thing about notebook is you get this cells where you can type something, and one by one particular part of the code you can execute. Okay. Now let's say I want to write something for the address or as a message. So in this cell, I don't want to write a code. I want to write some text. So I call it markdown. Let me just shift it here. We can change the position of cells. Okay, I'm shifting it here. I'm calling it title. We can give some title here. Then we can give some subtitle and just some simple text. Hey, okay. When I run this, you can see that how nicely it is formatted. Okay, so under this title, everything is there. So it is given here. Now I can give one more cell. To create one more cell, you need to click on plus. Okay, here I can decide whether I want to write code here or some markdown text. We can decide it here. All right. So one by one, once you use more and more, you will be able to understand. Here there are a few features you can try to explore that. You want to delete a cell, just go here, click on this delete, and it is deleted. Okay. You want to save it, you can just go here, save notebook, or you can download it. You can do anything. Okay. So this is all about Jupyter Notebook. Now someone want to use Jupyter Lab, then you can see a button here. It will open Jupyter Lab. Jupyter Lab is a advanced version of Jupyter Notebook. You can have multiple some extra features you can see here. You can click over that. Once you will be able to understand Notebook, you can shift to Jupyter Lab later on. Okay. For beginner, using Jupyter Notebook is advisable. After practicing Notebook a little bit, you can shift to Jupyter Lab. So if you are going for data analytics, then Jupyter Lab, you ultimately you will be using Jupyter Lab. There you get more features and everything on the same page, multiple files you can open at the same time. Right? If you have any doubt, write it in comment box.